What's up, everyone? Imagine having instant access to hundreds of premium apps, including the latest movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, and pay per view events, right on your Amazon FireStick, completely free. In this step by step guide, I'm going to reveal how you can unlock a secret app store on any FireStick in just minutes. Follow along, and you'll never miss out on your favorite content again. Ready? Let's dive in. First, go to your Fire Stick's home screen and look for the magnifying glass icon. Press down, then click the center button on your remote. That'll bring up the keyboard. Type in Downloader. It should pop up in the suggestions below. Scroll down, highlight it, and press the center button. This brings you straight to the orange app you need. Select it. Now, just click the center button once more, and the download will begin. Wait a few moments for it to install and set itself up. When it's done, you'll see Launch Now. Don't open it just yet. We're letting it finish setting up. Once it says Launch Now, press your Home button. Next, we need to get into your FireStick settings and change one small option. The fastest way is to scroll all the way to the right on your home screen. You'll see a menu pop up at the bottom. Scroll down. We're looking for My Fire TV. If your device isn't updated, My Fire TV could be elsewhere, or on older models, it might say My Device. No matter the name or location, that's what you want to select. Click it now. Inside, my screen may look a little different because I already have Developer Options. If you don't see that option, don't worry, I'll show you how to enable it right now. Go up and select About. With your Fire Stick or Fire TV highlighted, press the center button 9 times. You'll get a message. Congratulations, you are now a developer. Once you see that, press back and Developer Options should now appear in the menu. Now, let's go into Developer Options together. The first thing listed is ADB Debugging. Press the center button to turn it on. If a box appears, just scroll down and hit Allow. Next, select Install Unknown Apps. You'll see Downloader in the list. You may see other apps as well. Scroll to Downloader, then press the center button to enable it. On some older Fire Sticks, this option might not show up. Instead, you might see Apps from Unknown Sources. Just toggle that on. When that's done, press the Home button again. Now, let's find the new Downloader app. The fastest way to view all your apps is to scroll almost to the end and click the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. This brings up all your apps. The newest ones always show up at the bottom. Scroll down and the very last app will be the one you just installed. Let's open Downloader together. If a little box pops up, just press the center button to close it. This app lets you access almost any website. Press the center button 2 times. You'll see the keyboard appear so you can type in a web address. Today, I'm giving you exclusive access to a special app store, just for my viewers and followers. I've put in a lot of effort to bring you the best and newest apps on this platform. All I ask in return is a quick tap of the subscribe button, your way of saying thanks for all this free access, and a huge thanks to everyone who's already subscribed. Now, enter the code you see on screen. Take your time. It has to be entered exactly. If you run into an error, double-check your typing or make sure your VPN is on. After typing in the code correctly, highlight and click Go and wait for it to load up. You might see a small red circle on my screen or possibly a box. If you see the box, move the red circle over it and click the center button. If not, the platform will launch automatically. Let's wait for it to load. Once the page is ready, you'll see a huge selection, over 300 exclusive apps. My personal favorites are marked with a Top Apps badge. The first thing you'll want to do is press the menu button on your remote. It's the one with 3 lines. That opens a menu. Scroll down and click Add Current Page to Favorites. Now, you'll never need to type the code again. Just open Downloader, hit the menu button, and select Favorites. That's it. Next, press the menu button once more and scroll until you see Full Screen Mode. Click Confirm. Now, you have a super clean user interface. Scroll down a bit. Make sure you're using a VPN. If you aren't, your IP address will be visible right here on the screen. Keep scrolling and you'll find Search and Filters, where you can pick any category and instantly see just those apps. Each app also comes with a description, so you always know what you're installing. I'll show you exactly how to get my favorite apps. Let's start with my top pick, IPVanish VPN. It's always my go-to for privacy and safety with these apps. Some people find their apps get blocked by their internet provider. IPVanish keeps you secure and bypasses any restrictions. To get IPVanish VPN, move your cursor to it and click the center button. You'll land on a page with its description and a download button. But for the newest version, I actually recommend pressing the home button, going back to your FireStick home, finding the magnifier icon, and searching IPVanish. When you see it in suggestions, select and open it, then hit the center button to start installation. Wait a moment or two, and once it's installed, open the app. Now you can log in. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Here's the quickest way. Use your phone or computer, open your browser, and go to the website shown on screen, or just scan the QR code in the corner for instant access. I've also included the link in the description and pinned comment below. Choose the plan you want. Even 1 month is fine to try it out and see the difference. After you sign up, you'll get an email with your secret username and password. Once you have those details, your Fire Stick is protected. Now, log into the IPVanish app and hit Connect. There are some settings I recommend. Click the gear icon in the IPVanish app, then find Connect on Android Startup. If you enable this, your VPN will turn on automatically every time you start your Fire Stick. That way, you don't have to interrupt your streaming to check. It just works. Now that you're fully protected, let's start grabbing some of these awesome apps. Hit Home, open your apps, and click on the icon with 3 boxes and a plus sign. Launch Downloader again, then enter full screen mode using the menu button. If you're still on the VPN page, just press Return to go back to the app list. Now, let's look at 4 more of my must-have apps for free movies, TV, sports, and live channels. You'll see them listed just under the categories and sorting, all marked with the top apps star badge. Definitely check the descriptions so you know what you're downloading and how it works. Here's the first one. You'll spot an app for live TV, pay-per-view, and even more. Move the cursor over it, click the center button, and you'll see its description. Scroll down and hit Download. Let it reach 100%. This might take a moment or two depending on your internet speed. Just wait patiently. You don't need to click on anything. When it's ready, scroll over to Install. Once setup is complete, scroll over and click Done. Back on the main screen, scroll over, hit Delete, and once more, scroll over and click Delete again. This will return you to the store for more apps. Remember to re-enter full screen mode after each install. Hit the Return button, and you'll be back at the Downloads page. Next up, check out another Top Apps badge. This one gives you all the best sports content. Move to it, click the center button, check the description, scroll down, and click Download. Again, wait for it to finish. Hang on for a short while. Once the box appears, select Install, then Done, and go back through the delete steps just like before. Enter full screen mode again. Hit Return again, and you're back. Here's another great app, marked with the badge, for all your on-demand content. Highlight it, click the center button, review the description, scroll down, and hit Download. Wait until it's finished. Let this run for a bit. It might take some time based on your Wi-Fi speed. You can relax for now, no action needed, then install as before. Once done, click Done, then delete twice to clear the file. Full screen mode, and return once more. Now, some apps here require a separate player to work. The Movies and TV app you just installed is one of them. You'll see it mentioned in the app's title. It might seem a little confusing now, but the description explains everything. And it'll make sense once you use it. Let's get the player app now. Find the one with the top apps badge. Move the cursor to it, click the center button, check the description, scroll down, and click Download. Wait for it to complete. His is the last time you'll need to wait. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a moment, so just relax and don't click anything. Then install just like before. When setup is finished, click Done, then delete twice to finish up. That's it, folks. We've just installed 4 awesome apps, but there are over 300 available here, so don't just stick to my examples. Look for the Top Apps badge to see my personal recommendations. Try out as many as you want. Just make sure your device has room and your VPN is switched on, since some apps may be blocked without it. Once you've installed everything, let's organize your apps for easy access. From the home screen, click the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. Your newest apps are at the bottom. Highlight any new app, press the 3 lines menu button, and select Move to Front. The app jumps to the top, giving you instant access from your home screen, no more searching. Before you open any of those amazing apps, remember to always turn on your VPN for full protection. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel. It really means a lot and helps me keep making these guides for you. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video.